Happy Friday, Matt.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Happy
We're
Friday.
back at it.
All
Another
right,
Friday
here we go.
fun with Matt and Mike. You ready for this one today?
Let's do it, man.
This one's a little more fun.
I'm excited.
It's
It's
up your
Friday.
alley,
It's
so-
Friday. Oh, good.
So, okay, I'm
All right,
going
let's
to
go.
give you 5 golfing scenarios
Okay.
at 5 different golf courses on 5 different holes. And
Where I'm a golfer or
you're the
super-
golfer.
Okay, I'm the
and
golfer.
You're
Okay.
going to get a hole-in-one on this hole,
Ooh,
and
I
you
like
have to rate what you think your experience would be, 1 to 5.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, geez. Okay.
First one
Okay.
is a hole-in-one on number 7 at Pebble Beach.
Well, I'm ecstatic. I'm playing Pebble Beach. That's awesome. The wind's blowing in your
We'll
face.
do 35 mile per hour
Oh,
headwind.
gee.
Hey,
All
you still
right.
get a hole-in-one though.
Oh, headway, that's awesome. Just popped up there. I don't know what else is coming at me, but that's pretty damn good. Geez, it's kind of two. That's pretty
Hey, it's
freaking
up there.
good. It's
Yeah, that's
Pebble.
pretty cool.
It's Pebble Beach.
Okay,
All
second one, 17th at TPC Sawgrass.
That's cool. Kind of fun. Iconic golf course, but I think it's public. Whistle's Pebble, but I'm gonna go 3. Yeah, 3.
3's a good one.
3.
Next one, number 16 at TPC Scottsdale, Waste Management.
Oh.
Crowd roaring.
Oh yeah, like Sunday. Like I'm a PGA Tour
Drunk
player.
roars
Oh, yeah.
everywhere.
You know-
Sunday, 2:30 in the afternoon.
So this is either a 1 or a 5. For those that just hate how that does the golf, what it's been doing the golf, they'll hate it. But I think it just the excitement there, the TV, everything's a little crazy, full crowd, beers getting dumped on you. Why not feel like you're one of the Kelsey
There's
brothers
one
scoring
right
a
answer.
touchdown?
There's
right?
one right
This
answer.
is number 1.
This is one.
This
there
is
you
number
go.
1.
I'm not giving your answer for you, but
Yeah.
that's a good answer.
Yeah. Okay.
Next one, the Extreme 19 at Legends Golf Course in South Africa.
Oh, this is the one you tee off from like a cliff, and it's like a 100-yard
is-
hole, but it hasn't traveled 4,000 feet.
You
Or
got it. You got it.
Holy cow! Just to be playing golf in Africa would be pretty sweet. But I've already done 1, 2, and 3. This is such a unique hole. 4. Gotta be 4. Can't
That's-
be the
that's a good
worst.
one.
Yeah.
Well, next one is hole 18 at St. Andrews. It's a par 4, about 350 yards, but you get a hole
Because
in
I can
one.
hit it that far. I
You
can
get-
hit that far. It's got to be 5 because that's where we're at. But just happy to play St. Andrews.
You done goofed. That's a good one.
All right.